June, this is for Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in the North Node. Saturn in Aquarius too. Okay, but Aqua, somebody really regrets, regret not telling you something, or regret not saying something to you. Regret not saying something, and now you're not speaking to someone, or somebody is not speaking to you. I don't know, but somebody's really, really sad. Somebody's been crying a lot. They wish they would have told you something, or they wish they would have said something when they had the chance. Page of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. This could be your father or your child's father. But Six of Cups, Ace of Cups. This could be your husband or your father. Yeah. But somebody's crying a lot. Or you're crying over this man, their father, your grandfather, over children, over a new beginning, love for it. Somebody really, really loves their children. Somebody really, really loves their family. Somebody really loves their father, because, King of Pentacles, the Emperor, this could be, because the Emperor is older. The Emperor could be in his 70s, his 80s, and the King of Pentacles could be in his 40s, his 50s, his 60s, But, your children, it's like generations, like, your offspring, because, like, look. Okay? The Emperor, you are, let me see, Five of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, the Emperor. Okay? The Ace of Cups is a new beginning, okay? But you didn't, you could have not told your father that you got somebody pregnant, because, the Ace of Cups is also a cellist, and the Ace of Cups, Six of Cups. Okay, this could be somebody from your past, or your father could know this. I guess. But somebody's really, really crying a lot. Somebody didn't mention something about children, your children, their children, or the whole, your name. Because, boys is different from girls. Because, when girls get married, their name change. Not all women, because I am a woman that will keep her name. Okay. But you name your boys. And, to keep the legacy going. But somebody's crying here. But let's use Aqua. Three of Cups. Four of Pentacles. Okay, somebody could be holding back a lot of tears, or holding back, because you could have told your father that you had children, and some of these could be tears of joy. Okay. You could have, okay, you were holding this back, and somebody's trying to hold back tears, but I don't think so. It's raining, Aqua. You rule the storm, so today it's all about you. You're causing a tower. Nine of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, like you wish for something. Okay. Somebody could have possibly didn't want to say anything, because, they wanted to be sure. They wanted to know. Somebody didn't want to get their hopes up high. They want to be sure. But Six of Pentacles, here they are talking. Two of Swords, like, I don't give a fuck. But somebody's apologizing to you about something, Aquarius. Or you could be apologizing to your father about something. You could be apologizing to your father, could be apologizing to you. Somebody could be apologizing to their children. Or your children could be apologizing to you. Like, choose beside you. I'm like, what the fuck is this? Aqua, I wasn't going to do a reading for you. But something just, told me to do something for you. Somebody wants to talk to you. Somebody refused to talk to someone, or somebody was refusing to talk to you. You just was refusing to communicate, refusing to, okay. Two of Swords, that's your energy, but that's also Libra's energy. Two of Swords is Libra, but you don't give a fuck. You got that I don't give a fuck attitude. You don't give a fuck, they don't give a fuck. Yeah. So, yeah, you, like I said, yeah. You could have thought somebody was lying about their feelings or waiting to see if you was gonna lie or see. Somebody just held back a lot. Somebody got a lot unsaid. Somebody wanted to tell you something when you were a kid, but it just seemed like you got older and you got older. Okay? The older you got, they just like, fuck. You know, they didn't want your feelings to change about them, or you didn't want somebody's feelings to change about you. Okay? Yeah, 5 of Wands, like somebody knew that you would be pissed the fuck off. Like, hey, I'm your father. Or, hey, that's not your father. Or, hey, I am your father type shit. Or, hey, I slept with your brother type shit. And we have children together. Or, hey, I got somebody in your family pregnant. Or your auntie, your cousin, or this could be your sister. Or your mother is not your mother type shit. Like, you know, because that shit happens. Like, this is deep. Because that's what that shit was about. Okay? 3 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, the Magician, King of Cups, the Emperor, and the King of Pentacles. Yeah, okay. Page of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles. Somebody didn't know how to say that shit, or somebody didn't know how to tell you something, or you didn't know how to tell your father that somebody was pregnant, or you know, because you probably could have gotten somebody pregnant, or somebody could have gotten pregnant, and they like, yo, this shit is, you know, ooh, you're like, you know, child's coming, nobody's married, and you know, who's the father? Like, you know, Luke, I am your father. It's actually, but anyway, this is what's going on. This is happening now. The Tower, I'm hearing Tower. It's raining. Somebody's crying about this. Or you will be. Or you will be. The Hierophant. Like, yeah. So, somebody refused to tell you something. Somebody refused to tell you about a marriage. Somebody refused to tell you about a relationship. Somebody just held back. Somebody didn't tell you the truth about something. Okay? Or somebody could have rejected. Somebody just didn't want to believe. Or somebody just, you know. You could have told somebody you weren't giving them any more money. Or somebody refused to give you money. Because, you know, the whole child situation. And like somebody could have been like, I refuse to take care of a child that's not mine. Or, you know, I refuse to, like, you know, accept a child. And like, you could be in a marriage and the child is not yours. Okay? And somebody could have possibly didn't tell you about that. You know, like you could be married to somebody and the child's not your spouse's. Okay, let's just say that. But somebody is like telling you the truth about this, because 10 of Swords, like, it's over. Somebody's showing you paperwork. Okay, like the truth is here. Somebody's like, look, check it out. Okay, but somebody could have refused to sign the birth certificate. You know, somebody didn't sign. Somebody has a birth certificate with no father listed, or you signed a birth certificate and that ends something, or, you know, somebody just lied here, but they can't anymore. Okay, somebody was holding back a lot. So this, yeah, somebody knew, like, once you found out about this, you just like, you know what, I'm just get in my car and go and just drive and think. So you should be thinking about all this, driving and thinking about this, or walking, talking, thinking about this. Okay, listen to sad ass music, you know, and Things aren't, you should check out Capricorn's reading. Yeah. Really? Who is this for, Aqua? Your opposite is Leo. Like, you could be in your car thinking about fucking a Leo or listening to a Leo. I don't know who you listening to, but or you could be resisting sex with the Leo, but you can't stop. Like, where's your mind? Where's your mind? Where did that come from? Where did it? All right, so but at least you're resisting sex. You're just like, no, I'm gonna just shove that shit down. Good for you. Somebody could have also had like, somebody couldn't get hard here. Somebody couldn't keep a hard on. Somebody can't get a hard on, and somebody always fucking hard. Okay. That somebody said, yeah, like me. Ten of Wands, like, yeah, somebody can't I don't know, it's like you just want to run to somebody. Like, Strength card, Ten of Wands, you can't resist running to somebody. This is Nine of Cups. Something, but, you know, tens are good. Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands, something is over. Thought is out. It's out there. It's happening. You glad the truth is out about a situation, or you know, now you can fuck this other person. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just see you leaving the house. You're going to go fuck somebody else. Like, you ain't really that pressed about it, okay? You just, like, yeah, like, I'm going to go see this person. Like, you just move out. Like, you could be putting down money on your own place. Especially if you were living with somebody and you found out a child wasn't yours in a marriage, male or female. Because, you know, men go out and have babies with women and bring them home. Okay. God forbid it was somebody in your family. But, you know, the ending of a living situation, or it was the ending of a marriage, or, you know, everything, the truth is out there. I see you putting money on your own place. Your own place. Oh, you have a North Node in Aries. But I see you paying rent here. Four of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Okay, so you could be moving in with a Scorpio, or you could be, you know, doing this for a Scorpio. Okay, so, you know, you could be wanting to do this for a Scorpio, or this Scorpio is doing it. This Queen of Cups. Like, yeah, like you could be like trying to move in with this person, be with this one. Something changed about somebody's feelings here. Two of Cups. Somebody is like, yeah, truth is, I don't see you the same anymore, and I want to move out, or it's over. Yeah, somebody's moving into their own shit, or somebody moved into their own place. Okay, when the sun was in what? Scorpio. So this is November. Okay, November, December age. Cancerian Two of Cups, but yeah. Wow. Somebody just flat out told you, like, yeah, this is over. Like, somebody could have, yeah. Tower, here you are, Aqua, showing up. You're causing the tower. Like, yeah, I want to be single. Three of Swords, it is over. It's done. Period. Like, there could have been a lot of fighting, arguing, and commotion in this house over a child or over children. And the best thing to do is for, or you two did, well, you did. She did. This Queen of Cups moved out. You know, got her own place with the children, or just for her and her babies, or just for herself and her babies. Bachelor pad, you know, whatever. But Aqua, you're crossing the tower. Yeah, somebody was worried about this because, you know, somebody worries about you because they love you, okay? But, you know, somebody lied here about a relationship, about a family. You could have lied to your family or lied to their family about you. Like, everything was, somebody was a liar and a cheater, and it was just like fucked up. I don't know, somebody was done wrong in the situation, but it's over now. Since it's like ending, it's another 10. So that's good. But somebody could be really worried about you. They just want you to be safe, you know, even though you guys aren't together. I'm hearing do undo. The fuck is that, bitch? Do undo. The African village, the African tribe, do undo. It's like the women, like if you were their husband and some shit, or the spouse, if you're the male or female, if it was that spouse and you guys ever broke up, you know, and you moved on with somebody else, they would come in a picture and be like, oh yeah, treat that person right and do right by them because I'm going to protect them, because I didn't do right by them, but you better. No, bitch, he gonna get shitted on or she gonna get shitted on just like you did. No, I'm just playing. Just fucking with you. Just fucking. Jokes. Calm down. Stop crying. Joke. But mind your business type shit. Do undo. The fuck? Bitch? Please. Look it up. But, girl, you don't get your tired ass out of here. Find your baby dad. Now let me stop. Nah, I'm gonna keep going. The sun card, but the sun is here. 10 of Pentacles, the sun. You're happy. You're smiling about, or this Queen of Pentacles is smiling. Your mother's smiling, or your child's mother. You know, happy wife, happy life. This new situation, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, that's something brand new. That's someone new. That's Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. No, Ace of Wands. Is that all 4 aces? That was the Ace of Wands. Okay. But yeah, Aqua, like you're reading getting a little bit too long. But yeah, somebody's crying over you because you left them and you're not talking to them. It is what it is. Fuck it, it's over. They knew, they know. You know somebody's upset and angry about it at you because, you know, you're the Empress or you're their Empress. They know they really fucked up and hurt you bad by doing this, especially with children. Justice, what you hit this up button.